Hey guys, welcome to Algebra 2. Ooh, look, Algebra 2, Lesson 18. There's two totally different concepts in this section, in this lesson. So I decided that we wouldn't do a second lesson today. We just go into Lesson 18. That'll make for a shorter video for one day. That'll be a good little breather. So enjoy it. Okay, here we go. We're talking about ratio word problems and similar triangles, which actually has to do with ratios too. So look at example 1. The ratio of Arabians to mixed breeds in the herd was 2 to 17. Okay, so look what I'm going to do. I'm going to do Arabians mixed total. Okay? You always want to do that because you don't know what they're going to be asking for. So we have Arabians is 2, mixed is 17, which means the total is 19, right? If there are 380 horses in the herd, see what I mean? That's the what? That's the total. 380 horses in the herd. How many were Arabians? So they want this one, A. So then we can set up our ratio, right guys? We can go 2 over 19. We don't care about this at all. It just helps us find our total. Okay, so 2 over 19 and A over 380. We crisscross and multiply, so we're going to go 2 times 380 is 740 equals 19A. Divide by 19, divide by 19, so that's going to be A is me and my know that 380 times, haha. I do that every time. Why can't I add right anymore? Okay, divided by 19, so 760 divided by 19 is 40. Okay, and there is your answer for the first example. Okay, here we go, another one. It took 600 kilograms of sulfur, so we're gonna put sulfur 600, to make 3,000 kilograms of the new compound. So the new compound has to be the total because it's going to take 600 or something plus something else to make 3,000 grams of the new compound. So then the other one that we don't know, we're just going to put other, must be 3,000 minus 600, which is 2,400. Okay, so there's 600 of sulfur, 2,400 of the other one, whatever it is, and to make 3,000 of something. How many kilograms of the other material would be required to make 4,000 of the new compound? Okay, so you see how important it is to fill out stuff that you don't even know you need yet, or fill out stuff that you're not sure, that you can figure out first, right? Because now they're going to be asking for how much is that other one going to be required for the 4,000. So then it's a ratio. You have, because basically you can just do it like that, right? 2,400 times 4,000 equals 3,000x. So let's see what our answer becomes. So I'm not going to even try to do anything in my head this time because every time I mess it up. So it means 9,600,000 equals 3,000x. So divide by 3,000. 3,200 is your answer. Okay, so there you go. So again, to recap, they gave you this, they gave you this, you need to subtract to get this. Once you do that, you can set up your ratio because really, they don't even need this now. This was just to find that, okay? Saxon loves to do that, life loves to do that, all word problems like to do that. They give you one thing, you have to use that to analyze what else you need in order to solve your answers. Okay, let's go into example 3 where we're talking about similar triangles. Okay, warning, aviso. I do not teach you like the book, so if you like scale factors, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to read the book and do it yourself because I do not like them. Sorry. Okay, what we're doing is we're finding x and y. You got all these crazy lines here, but what this tells you is what is similar to other things. Like for instance, this and this those two angles are equal, meaning that this side and this side across from your angles are similar to each other. That means they have a ratio relationship. This and this are the same, so that means that the sides across from the angles are similar, which means they have a ratio relationship. This and this are the same, so that means the sides across from the angles have a ratio relationship. So we can use ratios to find our x and y. Okay, there's two different ways you can find you can do ratios. Like look at this x right here. You could go 4 over 5 equals 3 over x, right? Because you need to find side over this side equals side over this side. As long as they're the ones that have the ratio relationship, you can make a ratio like that. So, first option is 4 over 5 equals 3 over x. Okay? The other thing that you could do is, it just depends on how your brain works, you could go 4 over 3 equals 5 over x. It literally, guys, does not matter which one you do because you're going to get the same answer. I'll show you. This is crisscross and multiply, so you're going to get 4x equals 15. Divide by 4, your answer is 15 over 4. This one is crisscross and multiply. 3 times 5 is 15 equals 4x. Divided by 4, your answer is 15 over 4. So you can either go this over this equals this over this, or you go this over this equals this over this. Okay? As long as you're using the right sides. Then to find your y, it's the exact same thing. You just have to find the ones that are not like unknown. You don't want to do like 5 over x equals 7 over y because they're both unknown. Even though now you can plug in the 15 over 4, but it's going to be kind of complicated because it's a fraction, right? So what I would do is I would do 4 over 7 equals 3 over y, right? 4 over 7 equals 3 over y. Or 4 over 3 equals 7 over y. 4 over 3 equals 7 over y. And you're going to get the same answer. 21 equals 4y, so that's 21 over 4. 21 equals 4y, so that's 21 over 4. Okay, and that's how you do similar triangles. Super, super easy, right? So let's do our practice. Okay, look at your answers. Your answers are A is 75, B is 4,000, and C for A is 45 over 4, and B is 27 over 2. Okay, so for the explanation if you need it. Letter A, the ratio of malefactors to good guys, good guys was 3 to 11. So our total is 14. Always do the total because you don't know what they're asking for. If there were 350 individuals investigated, see, there's a total. How many were malefactors? There you go. So you go 3 over 14 equals m over 350. Crisscross and multiply. So you go 3 times 350. I don't trust myself. Oops. Is 1,050 equals 14m. So you divide by 14 and your answer is going to be 75. Woohoo! And that was the answer in the book. Good. Letter B. It took 800 kilograms of sulfur, so sulfur is 800, to make 4,000 kilograms of the total. Which means that the other one must have been 3,200. How many kilograms of the other material will be required to make 5,000 kilograms of the new compound? So we're going to put 5,000 right here, put that right here, and crisscross and multiply. I'm not going to do that one because it's the same one as up there. Basically, it's just crisscrossing and multiplying different numbers. So look at letter C. Find A and B. So here we go, our ratios. I'm going to go 4 over 6 equals 9 over B. Crisscross and multiply 54 equals 4B, which is divided by 4. Okay, cut that in, divide by 2, right? So that's going to be 27 over 2. Okay? Which was letter B. And then A, I'm going to do 4 over 5 equals 9 over A. Crisscross and multiply, that's going to be 45 over 4. Okay, and that's how you do that one. Enjoy your quick lesson. Let me know if you need any help on anything.